Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni rugoririe mubango wa kuhurana na mirimu iria itagwatanagio guku bururi-ini umuthi ihinda-ini ria miaka 5 yukite. Kuringana na uthuthuria uria tafanitio ni ministry no guku bururi-ini uronania gicunji kia 39 hari 100 kia Kenya nio makuaga oro mwaka kumana na mirimu iria itagwatanagio guku gicunji kia 42 hari 100 kia arwaru aria makomaga mathibitari-ini matiganite ni aria magomeirwo ni mirimu ino.
This strategy seeks to stem that rise through a holistic approach that entails strengthening coordination and governance, risk factor mitigation, improving access through primary healthcare and community health services, NCD commodity security, capacity building of human resources for health, advocacy and awareness creation, and lastly, strengthening data and systems as well as research.
Kiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango wa kuhurana na mirimu ino kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite, munini wa minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mercy Mwangangi ni ugite kaunti cia Nyeri na Murang'a ni gatagati ga kaunti iria itongoretie na namba nene ya arwaru a mirimu ino.
And I'm glad to share with you that there are discussions at leadership level to see how we further integrate NCDs into these programs and even perhaps have a sharing of budgets and an extension of that shilling beyond the 3 programs to NCD.
Mwangangi ni ugite gicunji kinene kia muingi gitifacagirira mirire yao undu uria ucwangagira hanene hari kunyitwo ni mirimu ino guku makiiga miturire yao hatikaini ya kuhatiririo makiria ni murimu wa COVID-19.
90% of our population consumes unhealthy diets, low in vegetables, fruits, while 27% of the adult population are either overweight or obese. 13% of Kenyans currently consume some form of tobacco products, and about 1 in every 5 Kenyans currently drinks alcohol, out of whom 13% consume alcohol daily.
Mwena-ini wake Ann Kendago no uri urutaga wira ruhonge-ini rwa kuhurana na mirimu iria itagwatanagio ni ungereire kuga mirimu ino ni gumeire mbeu njithi aria ni athi wa ukuru wa miaka 40 guku bururi-ini.
We shall continue supporting the ministry as well as the county levels for dissemination and implementation of the NCD strategy. Working with the Ministry of Health, specifically the Department of NCD, as well as NCD ICC, to develop an electronic dashboard that leverages on the NCD Navigator tool to monitor the NCD strategy implementation.
Na niguo gukinyaniria kioneki kiao kia miaka 5 gia kuhurana na mirimu ino guku bururi-ini, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni irabatara shiringi bilioni 370 na kwa ihinda riri iri na shiringi bilioni 20 guku igitanya kwamukira gicunji kia 94 hari 100 kia mbeca iria itigarite. Muoroto wa mubango uyu ni gutigirira muingi wa Kenya ni wataukwo makiria ciigi ugima wa mwiri undumwe na kuhigia muingi uri ugithema na kurigita mirimu ino narua ta uria kwahotekeka wona mundu amenyekae na mirimu ino thutha wa guthurimwo niguo kugiririria ikuo guku bururi-ini.